is Storm Chaser Reed Timmer in Topsail, North Carolina, right along Highway 17, just northeast of the middle school. And you can see the road is about to wash out. The guardrail here is hanging on by a thread. Vehicles continue to go up and down Highway 17. We just called 911 to tell them to shut down this highway. There's even sedans trying to go through because you can see rapid flow heading into the forest here as this creek continues to expand. Start taking the road away here pretty quick. That's the main flow. Go over to fight that. Not making up more ice, making up more rock. When it really goes bad, this flow is going to exceed that flow over there. All the water's going to shoot that way. And then when that happens, it's going to magnify the effects quicker.